P2. So we're now going to start looking at the new book, which is 2D, and it's chapter 10. It's dividing things. So we'll take our time with this chapter, just because obviously we're not doing it in lessons, so we need to make sure that we have a really good understanding of this. So let's start. So first of all, so 2 children are going to share 6 sweets eachly. Step 1, each child takes 1 sweet, and then they take another, then they take another. And now we can say each child gets the same amount of sweets. 4 children are now going to share 8 hot dogs equally. So we can say, well, this boy has 1, then this girl has 1, and then this boy has 1, and this girl has 1. And that's the first 4 moves, and they're done by the blue lines. Then this boy gets another 1, the girl gets the second 1, the boy gets another 1, and the girl gets another 1. That's our second move. So we can see that in this, that each child gets 2 hot dogs each. Tim divides 7 equally into 3 plates. So first of all, we have 2 go over to each plate, but then we've got this 1 left over. So we would say, oh, he's put 2 ballet nuts, 2 peanuts, and on each plate there is, and there's 1 left. Miss Lee divides 6 pieces of cake equally into A, B, C. So first of all, we're going to write A, B, C in the first 3 boxes. So everyone gets 1 piece. Okay. In step 2, we're going to repeat step 1 until the cake is completely shared, which it is. So we now know that each pupil gets 2 pieces of cake. So Sandy divides 10 cookies equally into bags A, B, C, and D. So we're going to do the same again. We're going to go A, B, C, D. Then we'll start again, A, B, C, D. And then we can see that we've only got 2 spaces left. So we know that each person equally gets 2 cookies, and there are 2 spares left over. The 2 left over means we can't share them out. We've got some jelly here. So we've got 12. We're going to write A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. So we've shared them equally. 2 children can share 12 jellies equally. Each child will get 6. What about if we share it with 3 children then? So we're going to go A, B, C this time. A, B, C, A, B, C. And we can still do it. So that means each child now gets 4. What about 5? So we'll do A, B, C, D, E, 5 letters. And we can see that we then have some now left over. So each child gets 2 jellies and 2 are remaining. Now let's just go over to our multiplication. Now remember, so 5 children share 12 equally, so they get 2 sets each and 2 are left. Well, this is kind of like our multiplication, isn't it? But if we take 2 and we times it by 5, that gives us 10, and we add these missing 2, that gives us a 12. So division is the opposite of multiplication. But let's look at dividing drinks. Winnie has 9 bottles of orange juice. She puts 3 bottles into each bag. How many bags does she need? She puts 3 bottles into the first bag. She puts 3 bottles into the second bag. She puts 3 bottles into the third bag. Winnie needs 3 bags. There are 12 tomato juices. I think it's juice. 12 juices, and we put 4 of them into each box. So how many boxes can we do? Well, this way we can actually just draw around the groups of 4. So we can go, well, there's 4, there's 4, there's 4. How many groups of 4 are there? There are 3. All right, if we're dividing these Coke cans, so we can divide them into groups of 5, and we're going to draw. Oh, we're going to go boxes this way now because we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So circle them into groups. How many groups have they got? We've got 3. About dividing 11, so we can do the exact same. Here's 3, here's 3, here's 3. We've got 2 left over. So we've got 3 groups of 3 and 2 are remaining. Okay, there are 17 juices and we put 4 into each bag. We do the exact same. So, but this time they're asking how many bags are there and how many are left. So we're going to draw in circles of 4. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 1 remaining. But all it is at the moment is just recognizing groups. So let's just do this last question then. There are 10 shuttlecocks, and we're going to divide them into 2 sets of 2. So how many are there? We're going to pair these up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So we've got, if these are all in pairs, then we just need to count the top row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see how we've calculated it. And then let's check our answer. Excellent. Okay, so take your time with the division worksheets P2. It's very basic at the moment. Make sure you re-watch this video. I hope to see you in the live lesson soon.